Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Halloween gingerbread house. Not technically made out of ginger, but out of chocolate. And I got some candies from Bulk Barn and just sorted it in a little crafting sorter. So I just wanted to show you that. I didn't just use the things that were in the kit, because the kit was very minimal. And this is just how I make an icing bag. I got these bags from Walmart, but they are the Wilton brand. I put it in a cup so that way it's easy to pour the icing in without getting it all over the bag. I put the tip in. My husband took this picture of me cutting the bag, so there's that. I put the icing in. I had just gotten an easy recipe for a gingerbread house icing, which is a little bit thicker and stiffer to hold the bag together. I think it was just 3 ingredients: powdered sugar, water, egg whites. So very simple. And then I am just showing what was inside the kit. I had actually already done this before because my family and my friends, we were doing like a little virtual Halloween party for my little brother Miguel, and I kind of talk about my little brother in different videos, so if you haven't checked that out, I'll put it in the iCards above. And so here I am just putting icing and putting the frame of the house together. So I kind of use the Mod Podge to hold the house frame, but I don't have to do this for long because, like I said, the icing was pretty stiff and it really held pretty easily. I'm actually not going to talk for a lot of the video because I don't feel like there's that much I need to say about it, but at the end I'm gonna show another house that I had made, and also the houses like my husband made and the house that my sister made while we were doing the video. I'll show some other pictures and stuff, so I will talk to you guys at the end. But for now, I'm just gonna put on some music, let you guys watch it, and see you guys at the end. Also, if you have any comments, ideas, or suggestions, you can always put those below the video. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe, as this helps me be able to further my channel. Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my video. So I did just do a very simple house. I think I lost motivation because I had to do 2 houses. Maybe if I just did one it would have been better, or maybe if I had like a harder design. I don't know. But I do like how it came out. And so I wanted to show you guys some pictures of like the end result and also the other houses that we had made. So here is my end result. I think maybe I would have liked it a little bit better if I had covered the entire bottom with sprinkles to make it look like grass. You guys can do this by just dyeing sugar with food coloring. So here's my other house. It is what it is. And then here's my husband's house, very colorful. He had some issues because his house was like pretty broken. And this is my sister's house. It came out really well. She had like a really nice kit. There's the kit from Wilton. And there's a little picture of my brother in his little king costume. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So bye!